What's happening? It's Johnny Snow back in the building, and today what we're going to do is work on this Mini Draco. All right, here, let me show you guys. She is clear. Change out the brake on it. All right, this comes with a flash hider, which it's all well and good. Looks good on it, does its job, but I want something a little bit different for my Draco. All right, so what I'm going to do, can you read that? Let's see. LAF14. All right, I have this on my other micro Draco, and it does very well. It does very well. It's one of those that either you love it or you hate it. I love it. Everybody else around me probably hates it, but hey, it's my gun. Do whatever I want to do to my gun. With the Mini Draco, they ship with this flash hider on them, and the detent pin, as you see, is right here. So what you want to do is just push that detent pin down, and hold on. Once you push it down, you twist the opposite way. You twist the wrong way because this is a left hand threaded barrel. So it twists backwards. So once you do that, boom, easy to take that off. Then as you see, there's a little indentation right there for the detent pin. Down, let's see if I can get my finger in there. There we go. You get your little handy dandy Leatherman tool. Let's see what I want to use here. We'll use this right here. Screw it on down. And what I'll do is I'll screw it to where I know it's a little too far and it won't go back. Then you screw it backwards, and then boom, locks in. All right. So we have the JMAC LAF installed, and you see the pin that holds it. So we are good to go there. Good to go there. So let's go ahead and recap everything that I've done to this already. We have the JMAC LAF14. We have the Hyperfire trigger, and I have put a rail on the back for a single point harness. So this is coming along good. This is coming along good. Of course, I have wood being made for this, and I have a pistol grip as well that's going to match the wood. So, we're going to get that going here pretty soon. And also, I am thinking about polishing this bolt. Hit me in the comments if you want to see how to polish a bolt. That'll give you a smoother action. I know you guys see how sometimes this thing hangs up, which, like I say, this is a brand new gun, and then AKs do this from time to time where they'll hang up and they'll stay. Usually don't do it while you're shooting, but they will do it while you're sitting like this. So, polishing the bolt, that'll remedy that. You know what I'm saying? So, hit me in the comments. Let me know if you want to see a live demonstration of bolt polishing, and I'll go ahead and knock that out, show you guys how to do it. All right, if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. Johnny Snow up out of here.